f dash x equal to 3x square minus 3. F dash x equal to 0, we get 3 times x square minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to plus or minus 1. So, x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1 are critical points. Now, what we observe, f of 1 is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 1. F of minus 1 equal to minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. So clearly f of 1 is the minimum value, f of minus 1 is maximum value. Minimum and this is maximum. That too we say local minima and local maxima. Now f dash x is greater than 0 whenever minus infinity to minus 1. Similarly, f dash x is less than 0 from minus 1 to plus 1. If you observe the graph, you will get a more clarity. This is the graph. So this point is x equal to minus 1 and this point is x is equal to 1. What we observe, function is increasing, then function is decreasing from minus 1 to plus 1, again increasing. So what we find once again, from minus infinity to minus 1, function is increasing. Next, from minus 1 to plus 1, function is decreasing, and 1 to infinity, function is again increasing. So earlier we have said whenever the function increases and decreases, you get the point of maxima. Whenever the function is decreasing then increasing, you get a point of minima. So f of 1 is minimum value and f of minus 1 is maximum value. So you can clearly see that the slope, here it is increasing then decreasing. So whenever it is increasing then decreasing, you get the maxima, and whenever it is decreasing then increasing, you get the minima. So let us write here it is decreasing